Hi everyone, in front of me I have this Huawei Nova 9 SE smartphone, and in this video I would like to show how you can add the number row to the keyboard on this device. So that's how the keyboard will look like without the number row. As you can see, just like that, only characters, no separate number row on top. And in order to enable it, you just gotta open up the settings app, scroll down, go to the system and updates. Here choose language and input. Here tap on the Celiac keyboard, go to the keyboard section, and here just check the box with show number row setting. And as you can see, here we have this number row added on top of our characters on the keyboard. So that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.